Hello, my name is Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the Terrace Door 9050 by WinDoor. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product, show you the parts, and some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. Here's the door we're going to install today. The configuration is an OX outswing. Here are some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. Starting with our 6-foot level, our cordless screw guns, both impact and standard, our appropriate sealant, our 25-foot tape measure, laser level, standard and metric hex key set, glass cup, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and our rubber mallet. Now it's time to unpackage the two boxes of components. Here are the unpackaged components. Inside this box we'll have our active and inactive handles. We have our aluminum head anchor cover, our aluminum threshold cover, our aluminum jamb anchor cover, and our two black vinyl jamb anchor covers. To recap, we have now unpackaged the product, showed you the parts and some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. In the next video, we're going to install the frame using shims and the appropriate sealant.